in English language, every word belongs to a grammar family. Vocabulary is the soul of every language. So friends, no matter you are in school or in college, no matter what you are learning, spoken or competitive, you will definitely need a high level vocabulary. So friends, last year I have cleared my IELTS exam with the help of this book. I highly recommend this book for every student, whether he is weak or strong. He will like this book very much. All the important topics are given in this book, like idioms, phrases, proverbs, phrasal verbs, antonyms, synonyms, and many more. Even you can learn placing of a word, understanding, making and breaking. And as you can see, on the right page you will learn theory, and on the another page you will fill practicals with yourself. So eventually I would like to say that this is the best book for the beginners or the learners, and you will also visit Deep English. For any queries you can contact us. So bye bye, have a good day.
Welcome to the School of Deep English. You know guys, SES was the most important topic in this book. SES rules of 6 pages, and some noun like electricity and stationery don't have plural form, and some noun like sports and jeans don't have plural form. Hi there, my name is Anmol and I would like to show you the School of Deep English. You can see this guys, the basic deep format: object, adjective, determiner, preposition, verb, adverb and subject. And this book divided in 4 parts like listening, speaking, reading and writing. And you can see inside the book is coaching owner photo. His name is Mr. Rajendra Chaudhary. His phone number is 9982244447. And in this book, you know guys, in this book, first topic prefix and suffix, and second topic noun. In this book many more topics like 8 parts of speech, model chart, kinds of noun, adjective, determiner, use or header, and preposition, verbless, many more topics. And there are 4 books in Deep English: red for spoken, green for vocab, blue for competitive and yellow for school. And you can see behind the book many awesome pictures of Deep English like achievement and celebration. And you contact YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Meet. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like, share, comment. Tata, bye bye, take care.
Hi guys, I am at most excited to share a secret. Welcome to Deep English and my name is Twinkle Atwal. Here is it, the spoken book of Deep English. If you are confused in basic grammar, so guys, this is the only book that can improve your listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. Besides that, there are many knowledge like correct pronunciation, dialogue delivery, speech delivery, stage handling, English video making, diary writing, interview skills also. Guys, I love this book and I am sure if you try this, your will definitely improve. Alright then, thank you, give me your precious time. Have a great future. Bye bye.